Hey, you.
I think that Korean students should take less time to study to stop their pressure. Some students even kill themselves because if they get low scores, they think it was their fault. This has made so much pressure for everyone, and this is not what you really want in your life.
It is told that many students in South Korea are going to many academies at all times. The world ranking of 15 years old American people get lower ranks than Korean people. Unfortunately, these hard-working Korean people think that they are the ones who did wrong on their low scores in testing. These give them pressure which makes them kill themselves. President Obama told the people that the students of Korea have high test scores and that the American people should follow them. Some people think that education fever is good for students because it makes them smarter than before. The students who are able to study well will have good results. But when that happens, students who are unable of studying will kill themselves in stress. I don't think this should happen because killing themselves is wrong.